If you've ever tried to set up a product bundle on a Squarespace website, you probably realize pretty quickly that it's not possible. There are some workarounds, the easiest one being to upload a zip file with all of your products in it, but nobody likes to deal with zip files. So with that being said, I'm going to walk through a much simpler way to sell product bundles with a tool called MemberSpace. MemberSpace is a Squarespace plugin, so you still get to sell everything right on your Squarespace site, but it gives you a lot more features and flexibility when it comes to your pricing and selling your products the way that you want. I already have a MemberSpace account set up and have it installed on my website, so it should only take me a few minutes to go through the whole process. So let's get started. I built this website for an online community called the Women's Business Circle, and there are a few different resources that I want to sell on the website. I've got a mini course, a starter bundle, and a membership community. And the mini course and the community are a part of the starter bundle as well as a playbook. So to set everything up, I'm going to go to my MemberSpace account and then make sure I click on the spaces option, add a space, and then for each piece of content that I have, I'm going to add a new space for it. And then when I get to the pricing step, I'll bundle everything together. So I'm going to start with a mini course. And it's a video, so I'm going to upload the video here. Then I'll add a space for the playbook. And that's a PDF, so I will upload that here. And then finally, I will add a space for the community. And that is going to be, that's going to live on a Facebook group, a private Facebook group. Okay, so I've got my spaces set up and my content added. Now I'm going to move into the pricing section and bundle everything together, as well as set up some individual pricing plans for people who just want one of the products and not all of them bundled together. So we'll start with the bundle. I'm going to make this a one-time payment. The plan name is the Small Business Starter Bundle. Payment amount, we're going to go with $149, and then which spaces can be accessed, all of them, because we're bundling everything together. So purchasing this plan will give access to everything. Then I'll click create this plan. And next I'm going to do a plan for the mini course, just the course. So again, a one-time payment. Business Foundations mini course is the plan name. The payment amount is going to be a one-time fee of $79. And then they just get access to, not the playbook, the mini course. And then create this plan. And finally, I'm going to create a plan for the membership community. And that's going to be a reoccurring payment because it's like a subscription for $29 once a month. People just get access to that private community. And I'll click create this plan. Now, the last thing that I need to do is grab these sign-up links for each plan and add them to the corresponding call to action buttons on my website. All right, so I just added the sign-up links to each one of my call to action buttons here. So if I go to preview my website and say I want to purchase the starter bundle, I click the button, and then the sign-up form appears. So all that my customers would need to do is fill out the sign-up form, which I'll do really quick. And then here is the payment form. So people can purchase the bundle. I'll fill out payment information just to make sure everything works and people are able to actually access everything. Okay, great. Now I can see all of the different spaces that I created earlier. So I've got my community. I can click on that and go to the Facebook group. The playbook, I can click on that and get access to the PDF. And then the mini course, I can click on this and then get access to the video content that I uploaded. And that is it. I can set up as many bundles as I want, sell things individually or as a part of a membership subscription, really whatever I want to do. So super simple alternative to all of the workarounds on Squarespace to set up product bundles. Hopefully this was helpful. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.